Okay, I got a couple of items I like to share with everybody, especially if you're new to the villages. And once you move down here, you're going to discover there's a lot of different things going on down here that you don't have up north. And one of them is small pests that can come inside your house, whether it's these little lizards or palmetto bugs. Ants seem to be a problem down here. But these pest repellers, I think they're great. They're ultrasonic. You install them about at least a foot above your floor in various rooms around your house. You can pick them up for $19.99 at Walmart. And they have like a little blue light, like a little night light. You can see in these photos of the various places that we have installed them in our home right here. Right here is in the foyer, and then I put one in the kitchen, the bedrooms, and you just plug them in and forget about them. I think it's something you'd be happy with because you can keep out all those little lizards too. The second one are these surge protectors. Down here in Florida, especially the central part, is the lightning capital of the world. And for just $10, you can get a couple of these either at Ace or on Amazon.com and just install them in all your appliances throughout your house. And the main place that I would install these would be for your garage door opener and also your irrigation control box, because these will be the two most expensive things to replace in case you get a surge. So just think, for a small amount of money, think of the return you're going to get for just a few bucks just by installing these throughout your house to protect your major appliances, your TV, your computer. So it's just something I wanted to share with everybody, especially if you just moved down here to the villages. I know that installing lightning rods down here in your average house in the village is going to cost you probably around $1,100. But you can pick up, say, 6 of these for just like $30. So just think of the savings right there. Just something I want to show everybody. Go ahead and leave me your comments, and take care.